between the clutch hub and the pulley. This one measures at 24 thousandths, and it should be all the way around. You should get a nice smooth, no binding, and so forth. When we apply power to the clutch, that engages it, and now they become one. When you let go, the clutch releases and allows it to spin freely. Without seeing your vehicle, I'm assuming the clutch might be too far in. We take off the nut, and then we look down inside, and you can see that there's a little bit of dirt, of course, but there's a snap ring and a washer that need to come out. How funny it is that I go inside this one and I see that whoever rebuilt it, some company, they never put the washer or the snap ring in here. Of course, it's not real critical, but it's something that should be done. But for the sake of this video, we'll continue on as if it was done properly. In order to move the clutch plate further out, you need to have special tools. So this one, of course, would screw right onto the clutch hub, and then the probe inside is going to push against the shaft to draw it out. Like such. I'm only going to give it a little bit, give you an idea. Sometimes it takes a lot of pressure and you can pull it right out. If you pull it too far, or if it's too far out, well, then what you need to do is to suck it in. And in order to do that, there's another tool for that, which screws onto the shaft. And then, of course, pushes it back in. Of course, a lot of you enthusiasts, you don't have a master kit with all these goodies in it. And of course, you got to have the experience and knowledge to do it the proper way. So, of course, that's how it all works. Put power to it, clutch kicks in, holds it nice and steady, let it go, everything spins freely. Hope that helps.